नमस्कार, I am Professor P.B. Gole, MEP KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, SYBCom Semester 4, Cost and Work Accounting 2nd, Chapter 2nd, Labor Cost Remuneration and Incentive, Topic, Time Booking. Meaning of time booking. The time booking means the recording of time of each worker spent on various jobs, works, order, etc. During his period of attendance in the factory, it is not enough to keep the complete record of workers' attendance. It is also essential to know how much time he spent on different job, work order or operations. This is referred to as time booking. Thus, time booking is the time taken by a worker in respect of a given assignment, that is, time devoted to a particular unit. The in and out time of worker show the time in which he has been present in the factory. Time booking shows how the attendance time has been spent on various jobs, operation or work order, etc. Hence, time booking may be presented as per the following formula. Time booking is equal to attendance time less lost time. The time booking, that is recording of time spent on different jobs or process, determining accurate labor cost of job process. The important purpose of time recording is to provide basic information for preparation of payroll, attending record to meet statutory requirement, computing labor cost of a job process, computing overhead cost jobs is based on wages or labor hour, statistical analysis of labor record for determining productivity and control of labor cost. According to time of any organization, thumb machines or face reading machines are used in various business to control arrival and departure time of employee. Next, objective of timekeeping. The following are the basic objective of time booking. First, to ascertain the labor hours spent on work and the idle labor hour. Second, to ascertain labor cost of various products or jobs. Third, to calculate the normal of wages and bonus payable under the wage incentive scheme. 4. To compute and determine overhead rates and absorption of overhead under the labor and machine hour method. 5th, to apportion overhead against job. 6. To evaluate the performance of labor by comparing actual time book with the standard or budgeted time. Next, difference between timekeeping and time booking. First difference, timekeeping, it is the recording of attendance time of the worker. Time booking, it is the recording of time spent by the worker on different jobs during his period of attendance. Second difference, timekeeping. It is the recording of time for the purpose of attendance and wages calculation. Time booking. It is the recording of time for the purpose of cost analysis and apportionment of labor. Third, timekeeping. It helps to maintain discipline in attendance. Time booking. It helps to minimize idle time. 4. Difference. Timekeeping. Attendance time can be recorded through daily muster roll, disc or token system or time recording clock. Time booking. Work time can be recorded through daily timesheet, weekly timesheet, job card or labor cost card. Last, timekeeping. An efficient system of timekeeping should be smooth and quick. Time booking. An efficient of time booking should provide proper instruction for filling the work time record correctly. Lecture is over. Thank you.